Influence often comes from unexpected sources. Consider this: a small group can sway the majority. This idea, known as the minority influence theory, reveals how a smaller part of a society can change the majority's views. It's not about numbers, but the style of the approach. Consistency is key. A minority group, staying steadfast in their beliefs, impacts the larger group. Why? Because consistency signals certainty and commitment. It makes the majority reevaluate their own views. For instance, Rosa Parks, by refusing to give up her seat on a bus in 1955, single-handedly sparked the civil rights movement in the United States. Her solitary act of defiance, consistent with her beliefs in racial equality, influenced a nationwide reconsideration of racial segregation laws. Time plays a role too. Immediate change is rare. Influence unfolds over time, often subtly. The minority's influence is indirect. It sparks deeper thought, leading to private acceptance rather than public compliance. This is called the conversion theory. People change their inner beliefs, not just outward behaviors. Serge Moscovici's experiment with blue and green slides further illustrates this. A consistent minority insisting that blue slides were green caused participants to start doubting their own perceptions, demonstrating the power of a consistent minority in altering the majority's perception. But how does the minority avoid dismissal? By balancing consistency with flexibility. Too rigid, and they're seen as dogmatic. Too flexible, and they lack conviction. The sweet spot is being consistent yet adaptable. This strategy is more likely to win hearts and minds. Another factor, the majority's status quo. If it's unstable or there's dissatisfaction, the minority's chances improve. People seek alternatives when current situations are unfavorable. This creates a fertile ground for minority opinions to take root. Interestingly, the minority's impact extends beyond the immediate issue. It encourages divergent thinking and innovation. Majority groups, when exposed to persistent minority viewpoints, start thinking more broadly. This nurtures creativity and problem-solving in the larger group. The minority influence theory holds lessons for us all. It's not just about social movements or politics. In our personal lives, in workplaces, and communities, these dynamics play out. A single voice, firm in its conviction yet open to dialogue, can be a powerful catalyst for change. It reminds us that influence isn't about numbers. It's about the strength of your conviction, the style of your communication, and the openness of your approach. In conclusion, this theory isn't just academic. It's a practical guide on how to be a change maker. Whether you're in a minority or majority, understanding these dynamics empowers you to be more effective in influencing others. Change often starts small, but its ripples can be vast.